This video is about food. This channel is about food. Food like a medicine. Is it reality or not? Of course it's reality. This video I want to talk about this. Enjoy. In the medical system, food has always been an important way to treat illness and maintain health. Some of them have curative properties. Garlic is often used in the US for its ability to lower cholesterol. Green tea is a good source of antioxidants which can protect cells, tissues, and cellular components from damage. Often, it is important to eat the whole plants, as the skin or outer food contains nutrients and fiber that offer significant health benefits. Learn more about food as medicine. Why eat whole foods? Eating the whole plants, including the skin or outer hulls, can have many benefits. First, fiber is known to be beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and providing insulin resistance. A major factor is obesity and type 2 diabetes. Second, hills found on grains such as wheat and rice contain nutrition elements, including vitamins. Third, the skins of certain fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants and cancer-fighting nutrients. Eat from all food groups. Fruits and vegetables include from 5 to 13 servings of a variety of fruits and vegetables daily. A serving is 1 piece of fruit, 1/2 cup of vegetables, 1 cup of salad greens, or 1/2 cup of juice. Choose juice without adding sugar or corn sugar. Protein. Get a good mix of protein, both animal, unless you could be a vegetarian like me, and plant. Eating a variety of proteins will ensure that you get all of the omega acid. It's the building blocks of protein you need. Fats. Enjoy beneficial fats. Get the majority of your fats from plants and fish and minimize animal fats. My lady, subscribe this channel and watch more video. See you next video. Bye.